Hello everyone, welcome to VJ Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about organometallic part 6. In part 6, donorability of phosphine we are going to discuss. Okay, please note this very important topic. This is very important topic for what? JAM, and please note it's a very important, most important topic for JAM as well as TIFR exam. Okay, the already question was based on this phosphine ligand. Now, what is a phosphine? What is general formula for phosphine? Please note GF. It means general formula. What is general formula? PG3. What is G? G can be R group or halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and methoxy. Okay, alkoxy group, or it should be aryl group. Okay, it can be for example, PM3 is also there, right? And PF3 is example. Okay, this is example PF3. Then POME tries, ME tries, then P phenyl group, PH, okay, tries. Understand? Okay, this is example for what? Triphenyl phosphine. You can 3 times or 2 times, okay, whatever. It's general formula. Okay. Now, what is the important for phosphine ligand mean? Listen, generally we know, right? Generally we know the back bonding increases. When the back bonding increases, whenever electron donor group is present in the complex, okay, when electron donating group increases, the back bonding increases, right? Now you know very well, okay, in the phosphine is attached with what? The various group, right? Now you have to understand the property of various group. If the various group should be electron donating group, that case the back bonding increases. Understand? Suppose the phosphine, the phosphorus attached with electron withdrawing group, that case what? The back bonding decreases. Understand? Listen, in case of, for example, metal, okay, metal, your CO ligand, I take 3 times. Now triphenyl phosphine, PPS3. I take this ligand, okay, or I take PME3, or I take POME3, or I take PF3. Okay, now this ligand, okay, it can be electron donor or electron acceptor. Okay, based on this property, okay, based on this property, the electron density on the metal atom can be changed. Whenever the electron density change, okay, there will be what? The back bonding can affected. In case the metal electron density increases, okay, the back bonding increases, right? CO back bonding. Similarly, if the metal atom have a less electron density, that time back bonding decreases. Understand? Now, this group, what? This is very important. This group can influence what? The back bonding of the CO ligand. Okay. Now, what is the general trend, general formula? We know. What is the general formula? Very simple, right? Whenever the back bonding increases, okay, the suction frequency of COs decreases, right? COs decreases. At the same time, the suction frequency of MC bond increases. Understand? It's very general trend. We discussed already in back bonding, right? Previous video. Okay. Whenever the back bonding increases, the suction frequency of CO decreases. Okay, CO decreases. At the time, what? The suction frequency of metal carbon increases, right? So, what is the other trend? Same. The back bonding increases, right? The bond order of MC increases, right? MC increases. At the same time, the bond order of MCO decreases. This also what? Normal trend, right? Decreases. Please note. This is also very important for what? Solving this question. Now you know very well what is the other general terminology in chemical bonding lesson. Whenever the bond strength, okay, whenever the bond order increases, bond strength increases. When bond strength increases, the bond dissociation energy increases, right? This also another terminology, right? The trends. Now I'm going to give the overall order, okay, for phosphine. Which phosphine should be more electron character and which phosphine should be more electron withdrawing character. I'm going to give the overall donorability of phosphine. If you know the donorability of phosphine, we can solve the questions. Okay, I go for next slide. I will explain. I give you the important order for what? The ability of the donorability of phosphine. Okay, now see. Please note this is an important formula. Okay, just wait. Okay, I give here. Okay, note it. Please important. Note. Please note. The overall, please note, the overall donor ability. What is order? Okay, always alkyl substituted phosphine is more donor compared to aryl substituted. What is aryl? Benzene ring. Compared to what? Alkoxy substituted, alkoxide. Then followed by halides. Okay, Why alkyl is more substitute mean plus I effect, electron rounding group. Why aryl mean minus I effect, sorry, plus some effect. Why alkoxide? Alkoxide always plus some as well as minus I effect. Due to minus I compared to aryl, alkoxide less donor. Alkyl always minus I effect. This is overall what? Order. Okay, listen. Whenever the phosphorus ligand, whenever the phosphorus is attached with alkyl ligand, it should be more donor compared to what? Aryl. Okay, in alkoxide, compared to aryl, aryl is more donor ability. Now you know very well. Okay, listen, whenever the electron donating group increases, right? The donor ability increases. Donor ability increases. Okay, back bonding increases. When back bonding increases, the switching frequency of COs decreases. At the same time, the switching frequency of MCs increases. Please note, this is very important. Okay. Based on the back bonding, we discussed the previous video. If anyone do not watch that video, go and watch. Okay, it's very important for what? The JAM exam point of view. Now see the first question. They are asking what? The donor ability, right? Which is more donor ability? Always a alkyl group, right? Therefore, this is okay. This is more donor, right? Which is more donor? Simple question. Okay. Now this is ethyl group. This is methyl group, right? Which is more plus A effective? This more plus A effective. Therefore, which is more donor ability? B. Okay. First B. Then followed by what? Followed by ethyl group, methyl group, right? Therefore, A. Then here what? CF3, here MES3, right? Understand? Here you put 2, okay? Here 2 methyl, 1 hydrogen. Here 3 methyl. 3 methyl means more electron donor compared to 1 hydrogen, right? Therefore, I put what? B is next higher order. Then compared to C and D, what is CF3? It should be allied, right? Therefore, less donor ability. I put B here and I put C. Understand? If you know this order, please, very important, please note. If you know this order, we can solve about what? The donor ability of phosphine. Now try this question, very simple, right? They're containing what? Only phenyl group. They're containing phenyl with the R group, the phenyl with the electron withdrawing group, and phenyl with the electron withdrawing group. Now know very well which is more electron donor ability or alkyl group. Therefore, donor ability, which one is higher? B, right? Then followed by A, because there is no alkyl group. Then containing fluorine, 1 fluorine electron withdrawing group, that's C. This 6 fluorine, right? 5, therefore this D, this order. Now understand? Okay, now I'm going to discuss the previous JAM question. Okay, let's see the question. What is the question? Now, the question asked in 2013, they're asking what? The correct order of the CO vibrational frequency, the following order. Okay, they're asking what? The switching frequency of CO, they're asking. Now, what do we know? The back bond increases, right? Back bond increases. Okay, and switching frequency of CO decreases, right? Yes or no? Now, when the back bond increases, whenever donor ability of phosphine increases, the back bond increases, right? Now, directly proportional to what? Directly proportional to donor ability. Okay, directly proportional to what? Directly proportional to donor ability. I put DB. Okay, donor ability. Now, tell me which is more donor ability in this case. What is ligand there? PF3. Here PCl3, here POME. What is order? You know, right? Alkyl group. What is order? Alkyl. Then followed by alkoxide. Then followed by what? Sorry. Here aryl, right? Aryl. And followed by alkoxide. And followed by halogen. Allied, right? Now, which is more electron rounding group compared to this is allied, right? Which is more electron rounding group? This is more electron rounding group. Now you know very well, more electron rounding group decreasing what? CO switching frequency, right? Therefore, which one be by least one? Third one. Therefore, option C is wrong. Option A is wrong. Now understand? Now go for PCl3 and PF3, which is more electron donor character? This one, right? Therefore, electron rounding character increases. Okay, switching frequency of CO. Electron rounding character increases. The back bond increases. Whenever the back bond increases, switching frequency of CO also what? Decreases, right? Therefore, which is least one. Next, the second, this one, the least compared to first one. Therefore, option B is correct. Option D is wrong. Very simple. Okay, first look the phosphine ligand. Okay, which group can attach? Donating or withdrawing group. How to find out the order? Alkyl, first alkyl group, then followed by aryl group and alkoxide, allied. Alkyl is more electron donating group. The allied is for less donor ability. Okay, based on donor ability, we can find out the back bonding. Based on back bonding, we can find out what? The switching frequency of CO. Understand? Okay, go for next question. The question asking TIFR 2013. Okay, same pattern. If the CO switching frequency Ni, CO3, POM methoxy, and the end solranga, and that of next compound NaCO twice and PME3 twice B. Okay, you're asking what? CO searching frequency. Similar, listen, same metal atom. Okay, here 3CO, here 2CO. Listen, this substituted, right? Phosphine, right? Here, now tell me, this is what? This group is alkyl group, right? This group what? Alkoxy group. Now you know very well which is more electron donor ability. The donor ability, which one is higher? The B one is higher, right? Therefore, compared to A. Now you know very well, donor ability increases. Whatever searching frequency of CO decreases. Therefore, A is what? More compared to B. Understand? Option A is correct. Simple. Others are wrong. Very simple. Listen, look the phosphine ligand. Okay, which substitution can attach? Okay, you should be alkyl group now, more electron donor-ability. You should be allied group now, less donor-ability. Okay, whenever the more donor-ability now, more back bonding. Whenever the back bonding increases, the searching frequency of COS decreases. Okay. And next question 5. Listen, students who are preparing JAM exam. Okay, try to solve the basic question of gate and from CSR. Okay, in CSR exam, you take the part 4, part B. Take the part B question. CSIR. Okay, take the part B question and try to solve in your syllabus. Okay, in your syllabus, what are the questions in part B in CSR question paper? Okay, try to solve, because we accept the direct question from the question paper. Understand? Okay, so now see the question. Okay, simple question only. The value of CO searching frequency of NaCO 4 times and NaCO3 PME3 and NaCO2 and PME3. Listen, here 3 take common. Okay, here 3 put CO1 CO. Okay, here CO ligand, here PME3, here PME3 twice. Now you know what is property of CO ligand. The CO ligand is pi acceptor, right? Pi acceptor ligand. Whenever the pi acceptor ligand, the back bonding decreases. Back bonding decreases. Therefore, whenever the back bonding decreases, which is a more searching frequency? This one, right? Therefore, first one is searching frequency. Therefore, option B. On option B, we can cut directly using what? NaCO4 complex. Okay, let's go for second and third. This containing only one PME3 group, they contain 2 times, right? Therefore, here donor ability is increases. Therefore, back bonding increases. Okay. Therefore, the searching frequency of CO decreases. Okay. Now, which one is least one? Okay. The third one is least one, right? Therefore, option A is correct. Understand? It's very, very simple. Okay. If you know about that order, okay, alkyl group, then aryl group, and alkoxide and allied group. If you know order, okay, you apply the concept to the complex, we get the answer. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video as soon as possible. Tata, bye bye.